Good afternoon, my students. This is Jitendra Mohanty. Today we will discuss something about The Doctor's Word by R.K. Narayan. The Doctor's Word by R.K. Narayan. And the short story is very, like you can find interesting one. Humor is there, comedy is here. Then you can find some tragedy or a tragical consequence or situation must be here. You can find to see The Doctor's Word by R.K. Narayan. Before discussing about The Doctor's Word by R.K. Narayan, as a citizen of Indian civilization, as a great fan and a reader of the powerful fiction of Malgudi Days by R.K. Narayan, I would like to speak something about Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan from South India. Such a noble and sublime, extraordinary writer, a very classic short story writer and prominent novelist of Indian civilization. So whenever I read again and again, whenever I observe R.K. Narayan again and again, I got a consequence. It's very clear, my dear. Whatever R.K. Narayan is known as, for me, the Leo Tolstoy of Indian civilization, of Asian continent. I think so. I hope so. Because in his contribution, in his classic volumes, you can find always he tries to bring out the focus of the reader, the attention of the reader to know about the ancient India, the Indian tradition, the Indian civilization, the Indian cultural transformation, the Indian people's habit, custom, everything you can find which is very typical, traditional in nature. So that's why I like R.K. Narayan for his tremendous power, for his tremendous contribution in English language. What a personality he has brought to, especially brought for him in English language or in writing era. So taking all about his Malgudi Days on my own account, you can say in Astrologer's Day, in Doctor's Word, other short stories, he has given a very typical idea about the beliefs, about the traditional beliefs, about the cultural values of a common typical Indian people. In Doctor's Word, two major characters are there. One is Dr. Raman, another one is Mr. Gopal. Then minor characters are there. Gopal's beautiful wife, then Gopal's children, then a nurse, then Subhash Singh and his gang. A gangster is there. In the very end part of the short story, you can find, my dear viewers. Now it is all about what actually the story is all about. What actually the Doctor's Word is all about. That means it's a very, very traditional and widely accepting values of common typical Indian in our civilization, in our country. What actually it is all about the traditional beliefs according to R.K. Narayan. Whenever a sick person turns or becomes more sickable, like you can find the critical situation comes for a patient. In the very critical situation of a critical patient, the medicine does not work miraculously, my dear. But in this critical situation, in these critical circumstances, the soothing words, the reassuring words, the pleasurable, the pleasant words of a renowned doctor works miraculously than medicine for a sick people in critical situation. It's all about the story. That means R.K. Narayan talks about in the critical situation of a critical patient, the medicine does not work miraculously for the betterment of this patient. But in this case, the soothing words of a very, very renowned doctor works miraculously than the medicine even in the critical situation. Now we'll discuss unit wise what actually unit 1 about, what actually unit 2 is about, what actually unit 3 is about. One by one, unit wise we will discuss, my dear. In unit 1, you can find R.K. Narayan has given a very typical idea, very typical description about Dr. Raman and his personality, about his widely acceptance in the very locality where he was living as a renowned, reputed, honest doctor. In the very beginning, you can find the line, the first unit is full of, like you can find some strange, you can find, then in unit 2, you can find emotion is there. Then next unit, you can find humor, tragedy, everything is mixed by R.K. Narayan. So he is one of the mega, like you can find author or writer of Indian civilization in English language. In unit 1, in the very first line, you can find patients, especially R.K. Narayan wants to convey the idea. Actually, patients did not visit to Dr. Raman in the very early stage, because Dr. Raman was very honesty, Dr. Raman was very reputed, Dr. Raman was a very free, frank, broad-minded doctor. But he was very sensible about the lives of the sick people, so that people accepted him as a good doctor, people respected him as a renowned doctor, people especially like you can find showed their like respect for Dr. Raman. Why the patient did not visit to Dr. Raman in the early stage of their disease? Because of two reasons. One is the excessiveness of fee. Think about a century years ago in Indian civilization, a doctor used to take the fee about 25 rupees, such a big amount, such a considerable amount, such a huge amount for the common people to make a quick visit to Dr. Raman in the early stage of their disease. So it was all about the first reason. But second reason was, it was very, very difficult task for any patient, for any critical patient, to avoid the truth, to avoid the true facts in the presence of Dr. Raman, so that patients did not dare to make a quick visit in the early stage of the disease to Dr. Raman's clinic. Then he was very sincere, he was very sensible about the lives of the patients, and he tried his best level how to escape the lives, how to save the sick people, the critical patient from the critical situation. So taking all about his sincerity, sensibility, punctuality, all about his dedication, on account the people of the very locality seem to say, Dr. Raman, you are not a mere doctor, you are a god for us. People respected him, accepted him, showed their all round, like you can find love for Dr. Raman. So Dr. Raman was very famous among the people who are actually living in his own clinic. And whenever Dr. Raman saw the slightest hope of living, even in the very critical situation of a critical patient, he tried his level best. He just went to the arena. He just, you can find, went to the operation theatre, tried his level best how to save the lives of the critical patient, even in the critical situation. That's all about one of the best quality, noble quality of Dr. Raman, so that people respected him, people like you can find valued his words, people accepted him as a good renowned doctor. So Dr. Raman was not a mere doctor for me, and according to R.K. Narayan, he was not only considered to be a doctor, but like an angel. People respected him, people worshipped him, people called him, Dr. Raman, you are not a mere doctor, you are something extraordinary for us. And he never ever has spoken lie things in his whole span of doctor's career. He was very honest, he was very sincere, so that he was very famous wherever he was living. In first unit, you can find it is all about Dr. Raman. Then why people did not make a quick visit to Dr. Raman's clinic in the early stage of their disease. Then why Dr. Raman accepted as a renowned doctor, what actually the noble quality of Dr. Raman, and what actually Dr. Raman did whenever he see the slightest hope of living on the face of the critical patient, even in the critical situation, and what actually Dr. Raman especially said to the patient whenever they visited to Dr. Raman's clinic. It was all about unit 1. But in unit 2, you can find it is all about the classic relation, the classic bonding, the mutual love and affection between Dr. Raman and Gopal. Already I have told you the two major characters of the story, none other than one and only Dr. Raman and Mr. Gopal. So Dr. Raman and Mr. Gopal are very close to each other. Actually, in unit 2, you can find R.K. Narayan has given the idea very clearly, very typically. Their friendship started from their kindergarten days, when they used to go to school. From the very early childhood, they had known with each other. They had understood with each other very well. There was a classic relationship, classic bonding between the two. In unit 2, you can find R.K. Narayan wants to convey the idea, time passed, they grew, but now you can find Dr. Raman and Gopal separated from each other. Because Gopal stayed in village, Dr. Raman went to city to establish himself as a doctor, and finally he represented himself as a renowned doctor in Indian civilization where he was living. And you can find Arkan Aren talks about whenever they separated from each other, but after separating from each other, they had not forgotten to meet with each other, to share their joyness, sorrowness, their day-to-day incidents, their familiar personal life with each other. Finally, Arkan Aren talks about whenever they separated from each other, they spent the most valuable like time of their life, like youth, like separately. So when Raman came to city and represented, established himself as a renowned doctor, finally what actually happened? They still showed their interest to communicate with each other, to make contact with each other, to meet with each other, to discuss with each other. Finally, it was all about, like you can find the day-to-day incident, but Gopal, look at the mutual love, the mutual understanding, the mutual affection between the two. They separated, but occasionally on Sunday, Gopal would walk from village to city where Dr. Raman was living as a renowned doctor, and Gopal went to city and waited on the clinic of Dr. Raman till Dr. Raman was free, only to make an appointment with each other. Look at what a friendship between Dr. Raman and Gopal. Nowadays in 21st century, it is quite impossible to make that kind of friendship, because Gopal started his journey from his home to the nearby city where Dr. Raman was living on his own clinic, and he waited patiently till Dr. Raman was free, only to make an appointment, only to see his friend, only to his dearest friend, only to see the childhood friend of his life. He is none other than the most important one, the best chum and chap of the world, the finest friend of the world, Mr. Raman. That is all about Gopal. So whenever Gopal on Sunday met Dr. Raman on his own clinic in city, they sat together, they dined together, they talked together, they especially laughed together. They just, you can find a very happy, joyful, merry atmosphere was there. And finally, that is all about the, you can find Sunday, means appointment between Dr. Raman and Gopal. Now something strange incident happened. It was all about 1.5. देढ़ मास पाखापाखि हो गलानी. Dr. Raman noticed Gopal had not made a single visit to his clinic. It's all about 1.5. So whenever it was all about a long time, Dr. Raman was thinking mysteriously, what happened to my dearest one? Something bad or good? He was thinking about Gopal. It was all about morning time. About 9 a.m., Dr. Raman was ready to go to the operation theatre on his own clinic. He was very busy. Then suddenly, whenever he was ready to go to the operation theatre on the very particular morning, he saw a young man is sitting, a young man is waiting for someone eagerly. Then he had no time to ask. Then after some time, Dr. Raman came to the young man and asked, who actually you are? What actually brings you here, sir? What actually you bring here, sir? Then the young boy became very nervous, because the young boy, he himself saw the most renowned doctor of the city is talking with him. So he put himself in confusion, he put himself in dilemma. Finally he broke his silence and finally said, Doctor, my mother has sent you. Then Dr. Raman answered, Dr. Raman replied, what can I do for you? Then the young boy said, my father is ill. Look at, it's all about the turning point of the story. That means whenever it was all about 1.5, Dr. Raman thought about Gopal. Finally on the very particular morning, a young boy came, and the boy was none other than, he was the son of Gopal. He explained all about sorrowfully, my mother has sent me to you because of my father is in critical situation or in ill. In this way, in Unit 2 you can find Arkan Aren talks about, in this way, from Gopal's young boy, Dr. Raman came to know about the illness, about the sickness of his dearest one of the world. He is none other than one and only Mr. Gopal. Finally, Dr. Raman came to know about the sickness of his dearest one, Mr. Gopal. Then what actually Dr. Raman did? Whenever he came to know about the illness of his dearest one, whenever he came to know Mr. Gopal is in critical situation, Gopal is on bed, then what actually Dr. Raman did for the betterment of his dearest one. In Unit 3, you can find whenever Dr. Raman came to know about the illness of his dearest one, without wasting a moment, he, in a long extension way, he went to Gopal's home. And whenever, very like suddenly he started his journey from his clinic to Gopal's home, and finally he reached in the destination, he rang the bell, then Gopal's beautiful wife opened the door. Finally you can find, then Dr. Raman asked to Gopal's wife, what actually happened to my dearest one? How long has he been bed? Then Gopal's wife very sorrowfully, politely answered, Doctor, it's very clear, my husband, my Mr. in Odia, my Shankasindra is in danger. It's all about 1.5. So then you can find a very pathos, sorrowful atmosphere, sorrowful environment was there. The guardian, the most eligible income source, like you can find of the family, Gopal was in sick. So Dr. Raman became very upset. Finally, Dr. Raman wanted to know or asked to Gopal's wife, who actually the doctor is taking all about the care and responsibility for the betterment of my dearest one. Then Gopal's wife became very nervous and finally said, a doctor who lives in the next street, he comes like once in 3 days and gives medicine and saying, time will come, your Mr. your Shankasindra will be out of danger, do not worry about your husband. Then Dr. Raman thought mysteriously, he became very upset, what a situation for my dearest one. That means Gopal is in critical situation. Whenever he saw, he became very upset. Now he was ready, especially to do something mysterious thing for the betterment of his dearest one. He just brought out his bag and especially kept on his own hand the sterilizer to do something noble deed for the betterment, for the quick recovery of a dearest one. Then Gopal's wife was there. She stopped. What actually you are doing? Next, like one doctor is especially taking all the responsibility. Why you are doing so? Then Dr. Raman said, please, especially go to another room with your children except the eldest one. Here you can find Gopal had a large family. And Dr. Raman reassured to Gopal's wife, please let me do my job so that Gopal will get a quick recovery. And then finally Gopal's wife did so. She went to another room with her children. Then Dr. Raman did some noble work, especially some medical aid for the betterment of his dearest one. So then what actually happened? How did Gopal escape or save his life from the critical situation as a critical patient, as the dearest friend of Dr. Raman, especially of Gopal? What actually Dr. Raman did for the betterment of his dearest one? What actually the result or consequence? In the very next video I will especially finish all about the doctor's work. That means in my next video you will get the exact information about doctor's work, what actually the end, what actually the consequence or conclusion part of doctor's work by R.K. Narayan. Thank you all of you. God bless you. Be a smart learner, be simple, be sober, be sincere and a great achiever in your life. Do not worry about the time. Present is something mysterious because according to Leo Tolstoy, present, past and future, 3 state of time is there. Present is something precious and priceless. Past gives us sorrowness. Future is uncertain, unpleasant. Present is most priceless. Do your best in present. Be focused. Be a smart learner. Something, especially do something like you can find mysterious, incredible thing in present time so that you can make a better tomorrow. I hope time will come. Everything will be fine. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Have a good time. Thank you. Sorry,
रूमसाठी